Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to configure a purchase organization. So purchasing organization is nothing but it's a department responsible for procuring material or service by negotiating the terms and conditions with vendors. So in today's video we are going to configure a purchasing organization in SAP. So purchasing organization is the top organization label in SAP MM. So let's see how to configure a purchasing organization. So to configure, you need to go to SPRO, SPRO, then reference IMG, then enterprise structure, then to definition, then to uh, material management, then here maintain purchasing organization. So here you have already many purchasing organization. If you want to copy from existing purchasing organization, you can select it from here and you can copy. So here we are selecting Tatanagar purchasing organization, here giving the description as Tatanagar purchase organization. We need to save it. So now our purchase organization has been created. So now you know how to configure a purchasing organization in SAP MM. If you want to see how to configure a organization structure in SAP or SAP MM, then you can see in the video that will be showing in the info button, means I button. Through I button, you can see the whole organization structure configuration. Thank you and bye bye.